Hello and welcome to my tutorial to create a shoutout command for Streamlabs as written by somebody who hates them long ass YouTube tutorials that go nowhere and waste your time. So this is what we're talking about. We're doing this like exclamation point SO or exclamation point shoutout, and that will make Streamlabs say, go check out this person over at this link. They are playing this game. That's kind of the what we're looking for here. So very first step, we're going to come over here. On the bottom left, we're going to open up CloudBot. It's like the third one down over here, and that will take us to a web page. This web page you should have seen before if you've been streaming for any amount of time. This is where you have all kinds of fun things, but we're not worried about any of that shit today. We're only worrying about this section here, CloudBot. It's already open. This is where you do your mod tools, your commands, your timers, your giveaways, all kinds of this is the thing I use most on this page here. First off, you're going to want to make sure your CloudBot is enabled. Second off, you're going to want to make sure that you have modded Streamlabs in your chat by / mod Streamlabs written in your own chat for your Twitch page. This is important, or else Streamlabs will do nothing for your chats. What you're going to do next is come over here to fourth one in, your commands. This is where you have all your things that you want to shout out or link to within chat that you can proc yourself or have your mods proc, or maybe even regular viewers who know what's up. It's entirely up to you. It's however you want to do it. So to create a shout out command, I already have one here. So you're going to want to first go add command. And since I already have one, this is what's going to pop up. Don't worry about this template thing. This is some nonsense. This is some trash. Don't worry about that. We're only going to worry about the command and the response and the permissions. That should be fine. Since I already have one set up, I'm going to close that and just open the one I already have. We're going to edit that. All right, so like I said, template doesn't matter. Your command can be exclamation point shoutout. You can have it exclamation point SO. It doesn't matter. It's whatever you want. It's just got to have this exclamation point first. That's how we do all our commands. In the response, we're going to have what we want to pop up in our chat. I have edited mine to kind of fit my own flavor. Check out over at They Be Playing and more. Show them some love. Simple stuff for a shout out. The important thing here is you're going to have these brackets or parentheses. They're like parentheses, but they got a little divot in them. I don't know what those are called, but you need that to have target.name where you want their name to pop up surrounded by these parentheses. And then you're going to want to have them over here. You're going to want it when you shout somebody out, it's going to come up in this parentheses target.name, but you want to have your https://twitch TV / target name. So it actually comes up as a link in your chat rather than just their name popping up. I'm pretty sure that has to be that way. That's how I've always done it. And then you want your parentheses. Like I said, remember, they're not parentheses. They're just these other things that look like parentheses. They're like fake parentheses. They're Bobo parentheses. You want to have those encapsulating target.game. And that way Streamlabs will pull your who you're trying to shout out. They will create the link using this Twitch TV / and then they will figure out what game they were playing last and add that wherever your parentheses go. This is all just colorful stuff. You don't have to worry about this. This is just what you want it to say. This can all be edited however you like it. You can move target names around target names. You can move that around wherever you need it to go. These are just where they're going to put, where Streamlabs is going to put these things you want in your string here. You're going to want it to reply in your chat, and you're going to want this permission set to moderators and yourself as the streamer. You're welcome to do it with regulars and subscribers. I wouldn't recommend it, but that's entirely up to you. That is pretty much it. So now when we come over here to Streamlabs and we do exclamation point, and we're going to shout out some cool guy streamer. It should come up right there. Check out target name over at https /target game or target name, and that should happen to create that link. And then they be playing the game parentheses target game, which is the forest for this one. And when it's all said and done, it should look kind of fly. Feel free to test that out, change it out how you want, and good luck with all your streaming adventures. Thanks for watching.